Social Studies faculty. Today we are starting the 10th class syllabus. I feel very happy to start this. And in 9th class last year, what did you learn? That total world geography, our universe, and different spheres of that, realms of that, our earth, and Indian agriculture, Indian economic budget system. Like this, so many topics you learned in that 9th class. But in 10th class, completely we are entering into the first lesson, Indian geographical features or relief features. So in this lesson, as an Indian, we must know our India. We are starting with the first topic, Indian relief features or geographical features. So that is the first lesson. Relief features. So here we must know the main topic of that in this lesson about the India, geographical location and other geographical parts, and thus we are going to know about that. So India geographically, it is this distinctive characteristics. Oftenly with these different characteristics, we are calling as oftenly India is a subcontinent. India is a subcontinent. How we can a place to be called as a continent? If you know what are the needed characteristics of that continent, those continental features India is possessing. So thus we can say India is a country, but it have more than that country, and what are the needed characteristics of that continent? Thus we are possessing, or India is possessing geographically, then we can call as that India is a subcontinent. Example, a place to be called as a continent, it needs first factor, largest area. So India, we can apply this. We can compare with that. India is the second largest, seventh largest country with an area of 3.28 million square kilometers. So it is the first factor which is needed to a continent. And the largest population is the second characteristics of a continent. India is the second largest populous country in the world with that near, as per the 2012 census, 124 crores of approximately population, and different climatic conditions, different soils and other characteristics. What are the needed characteristics of a continent? Those are all distinctive characteristics of India is having that one. So thus we can call that India is a country with continental features. So thus we can, it's not a continent, but the characteristics of what are the needed for that continent, thus we are, our India is as possessing geographically, then we can call India is a subcontinent. Now we are going to know about that what is the geographical location of India and geographical or physical settings. Location of India. First we have to know about that in the globe. This is the globe. Already you know that one. There are some too easy to understand about that globe. We drawn that such type of horizontal and vertical lines. Those are called latitudes and longitudes. So here this is the circle 0 degrees, and some more. I think in the 8th class you learned about that what are the important latitudes, how many latitudes, how many longitudes. So this is the 0 degrees equator, 0 degrees longitude is called as the equator. Equator is dividing the globe into two parts, and 0 degrees latitude is called as the Greenwich line, or Greenwich longitude. The Greenwich longitude is dividing the globe into two parts. This is called Eastern Hemisphere. This is called Western Hemisphere. This is called Northern Hemisphere. This is called Southern Hemisphere. Now, we want you to know, with the help of any place on the globe, we can easy to identify the locations with the help of latitudes and longitudes. Already we went in the 8th class. And now our India. So according to the latitudes, what it is location, and according to the latitudes, and here suppose for example India, and this is India. So according to the latitudes, 0 degrees above portion India completely located. So then we can understand India is located in the completely, according to the latitudes, in the completely northern hemisphere. India is completely located in northern latitudes. To measure the India location, so we have to say about that India is located completely with that between the northern latitudes. Don't use that, don't say that southern latitudes, because completely it is located in the northern hemisphere. Now according to the longitudes, India is completely located at the eastern side of that longitude, 0 degrees latitude or Greenwich line. So we can say according to the longitudes, India is completely in that eastern hemisphere. So completely on that one globe we can say, easy to understand in both diagrams I drawn that here. But according to the latitudes and longitudes of that globe, India completely located in that northern hemisphere as per that latitudes, as per that longitudes in that eastern hemisphere. So completely we can say northeastern part of that in globe. So that we can, what is the original location according to latitudes and longitudes? India